Hey guys, what is up? We are playing Press the Button 4. Woo! I'm playing it with my friend, Lunimus. His full username is Lunimus McDonald's. Shout out for him for helping me with several of my videos. Anyway, let's get to it. I just killed Luminous. Sorry, help me with my videos, I didn't mean it. Oh, I'm surviving this. Get behind this. I'm inside the sleigh. You're never going to find me. I blend in. I just got a snowball. Yeah, the sleighs definitely have feet, guys. Wait a minute. I can just stand on here. It's like, no. I won the snowball fight. I'm going to win. I am now a Christmas. Hey, you're in here. Get out. I'm gonna throw snowballs at you. Reach the other side. Oh, this is hard. Lunimus is already there. Or Lunimus McDonaldson. Or McDonald's. He chose his name to be Lunimus McDonald's, which, even if it might sound silly, I think is a very cool name. AJT Gaming Approval. Oh, this is hard. How is somebody at the end of this? This doesn't work. Like, oh, I pressed the button last time. Why is it? Find and collect the Easter eggs. Guys, tell me in the comments if you see an Easter egg. Because I'm hunting for an Easter egg. Pick it up. Oh. Imagine if you had auto clicker but on E. Oh, that would be amazing. Oh, another one. I'm at 2. Go. Go. I can't find any, guys. I need help. Oh, is that an egg? Are those eggs? I'm coming, eggs. I'm coming. I can't see any. There's one here. I knew there was one here. I can't see anything. Get on top of the trees. Then you can see everything. Alright, what can I see? Where's any eggs? Where are the eggs? Get to the mushrooms. I am an excellent tree climber. But not that excellent. Gotta get on the mushroom. Here. Try and make that jump. Sorry, I do not accept friend requests. No, he won with 4. I had 3. No, press the button. Grab the most rings. Alright, I'm jumping. So we go. No. This is actually really hard. I've gone through 3. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. No, I got 11, guys. At least I did do something. Auto clicker. I'm on auto clicker. I don't actually have. Oh, I won with 11 points. Find the hole in the wall, guys. Oh yeah, this is hard. People are already dying. What? Is that it? Does it only have 2? That was an easy round. Complete the obbies, build the snowman. I'm doing this one. It's the easy one. because you just have to do this. Luminous said AFK, so he's AFK whilst I'm doing an obby. Oh, I'm very good at obbies. Not very good at tight ropes though. There we go. I built part of the snowman. Wow, I'm the first one. Mate, let me show you how you do it. By dying. Why is my friend leaving me? Bye, I guess. I'm gonna say I'm YouTuber. I'm YouTuber, guys. Ow. I've already helped. Nobody's helping. This is hard, but once you do this, it gets easier. That's the annoying thing. Alright, I'm going this way. Oh, it's stop. Get to the green button. Choose a side, choose a side. I'm going blue. 1, go. Oh! Alright, let's go to pink, 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 pink. I'm going yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow is the dub-dub. 1, beep. Oh! Colour the most amount of tiles. I'm pinky, beigey colour. I'm going to get the high ones so that nobody reaches them. Colour the walls. I'm going to colour everybody's walls. Alright, get these ones, get the steps, get everything. No yellow, I'm taking over. Alright, there's some grey here. Get the grey. Where? How much pink is there? There's not much pink, but there is a lot of blue. Just gonna go around here, scraping all the blue off. Yeah, blue, you are not winning today. Even though blue is my favourite colour, which I don't think any of you know. Yeah. Repair the broken windows. Well, I'm not in the place, so I can't repair the broken windows. I'm gonna look at shop. What about a banana peel? Yummy ice cream. What the world is that? Pizza. Roxy Cola. I think it is safe to drink. Guys, guess what? Look at the whole teddy bear. Guys, did you know my favourite animal is, type in the comments, no cheating, it is ducks. My favourite animal is a duck. And my favourite colour is blue. Blue and ducks. Light blue. And ducks. And my other favourite thing is making videos for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to get in. It's annoying. I didn't even die. Right, we're back. We're back. We're back. No, I don't have any Robux. Yes, guys, I'm poor. Last round, that's somebody I don't know. Boing. 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 Get the money. Boing. What? Boing. That's perfect. No, it's not. This is perfect. No. me tap your button. Ching! Grab the correct colour. Oh. No! Give me blue! Give me the blueness in life. No! 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 It was too hard. We died. I'm so sad. Alright, green grass, blue sky. I bet you turn off the video now because I am singing very high. Wow, that was a nice rhyme. Yep, you're dead. Did it. Wait, how are you still alive? They've been forced into the wall. They will win every round. They've been glitched. Huh? Hi. Hi. My friends call me Archie for no reason. I'm recording. That was cruel. Oh, we're not allowed to jump. And you're also not allowed to be a noob, which I was. My friends call me Archie for no reason. I don't tell my actual name though. Because I don't like it. Oh, logs. No, guys, you've gone without me. Oh, so we jump on that one. Then we go across to this one, which goes all the way here. Oh, I need that end. Yes! We reached the treasure chest. Alright. Alright, deliver the 66. Where's 66 then? Oh, 66 is right here. Thank you. I won so fast. I was the first one to do it. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna say I'm a YouTuber in chat. I'm a YouTuber, guys. I'm a YouTuber. It distracts me. Anyway, get to the green button. We're in space. What are we meant to do in space? Where's Earth? Earth, my son, is upwards. No, Dad, it's downwards. What? There's Earth. 360s. You can do loads of 360s. Oh. Yeah, don't fall in the lava. Well, that's going to be easy. Oh! I think everybody died. They had no idea what was going on. Yeah, that really isn't because that is very scary. We all died. Except for me. Wow, I didn't die. I'm trying to click the button. And I can't click it with you on top. I can't click the button. Jump over there. Oh, I'm horrible at this game. Oh. Oh, last time I was the guy who pressed the button. Grab the most amount of candy. So guys, I think we're going to end the video there. Bye.